The Fabulous Marketer Show, Season 1, Episode 12. Hey, welcome to the Fabulous Marketer Show. I'm Kelsey Simon, and today we're mapping out your promo calendar, the backbone of consistent, sustainable affiliate marketing service and income. If you've ever felt like you're posting randomly, this episode is for you. Let's go from content chaos to confident campaigns. All right, so what's today's game plan? What are we covering? Well, we're going to talk about the promo calendar purpose, why it matters. We're going to cover key types of affiliate campaigns, how to use anchor events, and of course, I'm going to provide you with a vault drop, which is the promo calendar builder kit. Let's start off with this segment, our freedom fix. Consistent promotion isn't about hustling every day. It's about working the right windows. So promo calendars give you a few different benefits, okay? Let's start off with time leverage. And within time leverage, you're going to be allowed now to rest. You're going to be allowed to plan and profit all in alignment simply because of time leverage. Think about this. A planned calendar is really a freedom calendar. This is your freedom fix. So, what is a promo calendar? Well, a promo calendar is your visual business rhythm. It's a combination of content themes, product pushes, affiliate promos, seasonal spikes, and anchor events. It gives structure to your offers, your emails, your socials, and events. Let's cover different types of affiliate campaigns. What are you actually promoting? Let's talk about it. Here are four different types of affiliate campaigns. I want to share the campaign type, then I'll give you an example, and then I'll share when to actually use it. So, the first campaign type is the evergreen funnel. Examples of the evergreen funnel, and I'll just give you my example with Fabulous Marketer Academy. The evergreen funnel that I would utilize is the FMA community. There's also tools and subscriptions as well that's available within the FMA community because it functions as an affiliate ecosystem. So when would I use it? I would keep it running in the background at all times. Anytime someone visits my hub, they would be able to always access my evergreen funnel, which is promoting the FMA affiliate community ecosystem. Let's talk about another campaign type, the time launch. This time to launch, for example, could be a seasonal bonus or some type of flash promo. And I would use this at strategic times, like if there's strategic windows like monthly or quarterly or even annually. These strategic windows will open the door to schedule these timed launch campaigns. A third type of campaign is live events. Examples of a live event would be a webinar or some type of challenge or even a daily show like the Fabulous Marketer Show. I would use this to go live to connect with my target audience. Finally, the passive content campaign. Examples of passive content would be reviews of affiliate products or services, tutorials, or even blog posts or blog featured posts. How would I use these? Well, it would be for the purpose of long term positioning. For SEO purposes, for example, when I want to have content just stored away, passive content that's stored with keywords built into this content so that when someone searches for what it is that I'm offering, if they're searching for an answer to their problem, I have my content already published through my hub online so that people can access it at any time because it's passive content. So this is a great long-term strategy for search engine optimization purposes, especially. All right, so now let's dive into anchor events. All right, this is your calendar's core, and you want to start with your anchor events. Why? Because your anchor events can be thought of as your big rocks. You ever saw this demonstration where it came to prioritizing, and you see the example where they had this jar and they had to determine if they would put the small rocks or the big rocks in first, and the demonstration resulted in understanding why the big rocks was important for you to put in first, because the small rocks can fill up the jar because it goes around the big rocks once the big rocks take up the majority of the capacity. That's similar to your anchor events. Let your anchor events serve as your big rocks in the jar. They drive visibility. They're going to provide urgency, and take up the attention of your audience. Let it do the heavy lifting for you, and then you can do the filling in after that, all of the small little rocks. So after you plan your big rocks first, your anchor events, everything else is just going to flow around those anchor events, like the little pebbles will flow around the big rocks. So examples of anchor events would be product launches, live 5-day challenges, affiliate partner launches. Let's say you're working with a new affiliate partner that you would like to introduce to your audience. And then of course, community webinars. Any type of community training, any community events that you hold, those are going to serve as anchor events within your private community setting. Okay, now let's talk about today's vault drop. I want to give you a preview of what it consists of. It's called the Promo Calendar Builder Kit. All right, you can find it inside the Fabulous Marketer Academy community in the resources section under show episodes resource vault. Okay, so inside that vault, you're going to get 4 different things. First, the monthly planning template. You'll get a content and campaign type guide, a promo slot checklist, and then a quarterly campaign planner. All right. So if you're thinking about what would a promo calendar layout look like, I want to provide you with a sample promo calendar layout now. Okay, this is what a monthly promo flow could look like for you. So it's broken down into 4 different categories, if you will, where you would have the week, the content theme, the promotion, and the call to action all stuck together, if you will. So, for example, let's just say we're gonna do we have a monthly promo flow that we're gonna talk about. So that's weeks 1 through 4. So that's the weeks. Now, for each week, we're gonna have a different content theme. We're gonna have a different promotion for each theme, and then we're gonna have a call to action. So, for example, week 1, we'll do a niche tip series where you would give different tips based on whatever niche that you are in. And that's the problem you solve. So that could be a financial problem, that could be a health and wellness problem, that can be an affiliate marketing, education, and coaching problem. Any of those type of problems, wealth building problem, whatever problem, pet care, how it could be house cleaning or outdoors equipment, whatever niche that you're in. But you're going to give a tip, some type of tip within your content. All right. Then from there, the promotion will be an evergreen tool that relates to that niche based on the tip that you're giving. And then the call to action is going to be an email opt in. So you're going to collect emails for that evergreen tool that you're promoting, that you're going to offer as a result of someone attending to your tips that you're providing for that week. All right, let's talk about week 2. Week 2, we can do like some type of behind the scenes content That would be your content theme. The promotion for the behind the scenes content would be a product launch. And then the call to action would be a webinar. So you would get someone to attend a webinar where they would actually view the product launch promotion, but they are going to be invited to this webinar for this product launch because they attended to your behind the scenes content. So you want impressions on your content first, and then from there you can promote whatever it is you want to promote, but you have to provide a call to action for each piece of content that you put out. All right, let's talk about week 3. So week 3 can be some type of results stories. All right. And then from those results stories, you're going to promote an affiliate bonus. And the call to action would be to DM to funnel, a direct message to your funnel to get access to this affiliate bonus. But it started with the results stories that attracted your audience and got them interested, and then from there you DM them to the funnel that provided them with communication or visibility to the affiliate bonus offer. All right, the final one. Let's say so week 4. This is the final week of the monthly promo flow. So week 4 is going to be education week. Whatever type of education you can provide, then the promo would be an event invite. After attending to the education content, you're going to give someone an invite to an event as the promo. And then the call to action is register free. Register to what? Well, register for the event that you're promoting. Why would someone want to register to the event? Because in education week, you provided them with great, valuable content that was helping to solve some of their problems. And you told them if they want more of the same, they can come to the event that you're inviting them to. And the call to action is they can register to that event for free. Okay, let's move on. So here's a call to action I want to give you. Use the promo calendar builder kit that I'm providing you absolutely free of charge. All you have to do is uh, create a free account in the Fabulous Marketer Academy community and then head to the dashboard where the resources are located and open the promo calendar builder kit. It's a vault drop inside of the show episodes area. Okay, because this is specifically for those of you who are consuming the contents of this show. It's a it's a bonus. It's free for you just because you're attending to this content. But you want to use the promo calendar builder kit to do a few different things. Use it to plan your next 90 days. Establish your own promo flow based on, I just gave you an example of a monthly promo flow, but establish a 90-day flow, like 3 months. Okay. Align your offers with your content. I just showed you an example of that. Align whatever it is you're promoting with the content theme for that week or for that month. And then plug in anchor events. The anchor events, remember, are your big rocks. It's going to help with creating urgency and it's going to help with visibility. This calendar of yours will become your path to consistency and cash flow. All right, so what's next? Because we're not stopping here. Next up, we have the Build Your Attraction Content Plan. You're going to learn how to fill your funnel with the right people using personality matched traffic content. So I'll see you inside episode 13. Be fabulous.